The Lincoln and Pelham Public Libraries will begin operation as one system starting April 1st of this year.
So what that means is that our programs and services and collections will be one, which is really exciting for us because it gives us an opportunity to serve a much broader area. It broadens our scope and it enables our staff to specialize in different areas where they wouldn't necessarily have been able to before.
The idea to merge the operations for the two libraries came from the Pelham branch.
They had been without a CEO for quite some time, and we're looking at different models and different ways that they could work their business, and then they thought about having a partner and what would that look like. Union libraries are a thing that exists in Ontario. There are several other ones, Kingston Frontenac, Hamilton Wentworth is another example. And so it's an opportunity for two systems to come together for the greater good.
Restructuring the organization will enable the new library system to spend more on frontline staffing as well as program initiatives.
So the two libraries coming together will improve services by increasing the cost, the salaries down at the lower level. So what we're going to do is take away some administrative positions and then move those salaries down to people that actually work with the people. So it'll increase how much we can serve them. It'll increase the diversity of the collection. It'll increase the e-resources we can offer. There's a lot of different areas where it's really going to benefit the community.
The merger of the libraries will allow for a more diverse collection to help better serve the community.
We'll take into account what each other has when we're ordering, and we'll be able to select things differently while still maintaining the great collection that we have, but we'll be able to broaden it a little and provide more for more tastes.
Right now, Pelham tends to go out in the community during the summer, and we attend things like the band shell, and we even go outside when we have swimming lessons and park ourselves outside there. Lincoln has a truck, a van called Rosie, and so that increases their use going out into the community and bringing collections out to the community and bringing things with them, which we didn't have before. So it's really great that it'll increase what types of programming we can do in the community.
The merger will also allow for the sharing of services, resources, and other programs.
At the moment, we've got amazing collections that we have in place, and we're building our library of things, which is, I think, more of a service than a collection. So we have ukuleles, we have fishing tackle sets, we have internet hotspots, we have launch pads, we have park passes, we have adventure kits with binoculars and guidebooks. So all of these different things that help our citizens go out and explore and have experiences and create memories in the community.
Future plans include the building of a new library branch in Pelham.
Our library that it's replacing is almost, it's over 30 years old. And it was built in a spot where there's not a lot of parking and not a lot of room to expand at all. We've increased our staff from, when it originally was built, there was 4 staff and now there's 12. So there's a huge staffing difference, and this will accommodate that. It will bring more public space to the public, bring more innovative space to the public where we can provide programming that we didn't originally think of 30 years ago. So things like maker spaces, 3D printing, coding, things like that.
In Niagara, you're watching The Source.